Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the topic of today's video is I'll be giving my review and tutorial walkthrough of the Coinbase app in the UK. But before we get into it, guys, if you could subscribe to the channel and comment on the video as well and give a thumbs up as well if you like the content, and just let me know what you think in general, guys. It will just help boost the channel more. The more likes, the more comments, the more helps the views in general. So enough of that intro, so into the video now. So what is the Coinbase app? It's a cryptocurrency based investment app. It's in the UK, US and various other countries as well. So what I'll be doing is just going through each of the tabs. We've got the home page, the portfolio page, trading, and then settings. Just going through all the little tabs and just showing any little things that I've picked up while using the app. So that we're on the home page now. So this is basically where you see pretty much everything from all the other tabs all in one space. So we've got a watch list of cryptocurrencies that we can currently see in here, just like other stock market apps. All those is obviously cryptocurrency, it's slightly different. So we scroll down, we see a lot of different cryptos there. They also have top movers. Basically they want the cryptocurrencies that have got rose the highest in a certain amount of time, has them all in a list. You can also, on this app as well, you can earn rewards in certain cryptocurrencies. So you basically, this one here says learn about chill. So you can start a lesson, and what you do is you watch a video on each of these different ones about this crypto, and when it'll ask you a question at the end, and when you answer the question correctly, you get $1 in said crypto. So nice little way to earn the bit of crypto money there. Also, if you don't want that crypto, you can sell it or convert it to another crypto, which I'll get into a bit later on. And again, the reward system, pretty much the same thing as what I've just showed you there. And then finally, at the bottom of the homepage, you've got news about different cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, which obviously two big dogs in the crypto space, and also the general news as well. So that is the homepage. We'll now take a look at the portfolio page. I've hidden my portfolio balances. I want to do a bit of an update and just show my portfolio. And that's a different topic. Today we're going through the actual how to use the app. So it's crossed out there, but has British pounds. So that's how much you have in the app in pounds and euro, dollar, and then any other cryptos you may have will show up here. And obviously here's the graph, just like on other stock market apps. You can see I've done the I don't have the hour on stock markets, but on crypto it has hour, day, week, month, year, and then all time. So I've just recently started investing in crypto again, which is why I'm just sort of hiding the balance. I've not really done a video showing my portfolio as yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the portfolio page. So easy enough, straightforward enough, it's been seen before. And this little button in the middle, you can see at the bottom there, the next sort of tab, the two arrows facing either way. It's just a quick way of, so you can, it shows you buying your crypto with cash, selling your crypto, converting crypto, sending cryptos to other wallets. So basically that could be another person, or you could have another wallet on another cryptocurrency based app such as Binance, for example. So you're buying your crypto. I'll just show you a little walk through that now, just the same as you would do normally. So you can search for an asset you'd like to buy. So for this sake, we'll just say you want to buy Bitcoin, and there you go. You can state how much Bitcoin you want to buy on there. It gives you sort of the options available, but then you can also click the dotted three dots at the bottom right hand corner. Click on that and you can purchase however much Bitcoin you want, £255 worth. And I think the minimum you can buy is £1.99 worth, as you can see there. And you see the little drop down arrow, which is a one-time purchase. You can change that. So the good thing about this app, which I do like, you can do sort of like a manual investing thing. So you can buy every day if you want. I can set it to every week, or the 1st and the 15th of every month. So it'll be twice a month you're investing in this Bitcoin, or just once every month. So if that is something you're interested in, you can do that. You don't have to think about the investments if you know you want to be making them every single month. So next is the trade tab. So this is basically where you can see all the cryptocurrencies. So we've got the search bar at the top if you want to search for certain ones. Then the tradables, which is every single thing that is on the Coinbase app at the moment. Got a watch list which you can create yourself. This is sort of ones that I've saved on there, I think, in the past. Anything that's new on Coinbase, although it's new on Coinbase doesn't mean it's tradable yet. There's a bit of a difference. They're on there, but you can't actually trade them. I'm not sure why that is either, but that's how it is. And you have all assets, biggest gainers, so the biggest, obviously the cryptos that have gained the most in the last 24 hours, I think it is, and then the biggest losers as well, so who have dropped the most. And then you can see also, if you click on that now, just to show you, that'll just show every single crypto, pretty much the same thing anyway. And then as we've seen before, top movers and recurring buys, which we just covered about having the manual invest on at least once a daily, monthly, or etc. And finally now we're on the settings tab. So this is just basically things to do with your personal account. So you've got limits and features, so that's basically just how much, if you can send crypto or receive crypto, so I've got them enabled. Your PayPal withdrawals capped at £20,000 a day, and 3D secure purchases, which is £3,000 a week. And you can actually change your currency, so whatever country you're in, whether it's UK, America, and then all these other different ones here. Again, country, you have to change your country, you have to follow certain steps listed on the support page, don't want to do that. Then we've got privacy, data controls, privacy policies. These are standard things on these sort of apps. Financial services, so this is where you can earn rewards on certain cryptos, where you get like sort of like a yield, like a savings yield, so you get 5%, I think it is on some of them, 4% or even less maybe on others. Then your notification settings as well, so you can take a break. If you've been using it for too long, you'll get a notification and you decide to have a break for a short time. Then it's just other little bits and bobs like customization, notifications, etc. There's well a couple of other little things. Display, so you can change your display on the app. So I kind of set on light. I do prefer dark in the trading 2-on-2 app, but in this app I prefer the light. I don't know why, it just looks better to me, but you can change between light and dark. And also whether you want to have a PIN or Touch ID to log into the trading to the Coinbase app. I have it set on, but you don't really need it if you don't want. So yeah. So that is it for my walkthrough and tutorial of the Coinbase app. I'd probably give this app a 7 or 8 out of 10 overall. It's quite a pretty standard app, looks a lot similar to other investments app. I do get a bit of a free trade feel from the use in this app. Again, one thing I did miss out is the fees. So when you do buy the crypto, you'll get charged a certain amount. I don't think it's anything over $3.99, but I could be wrong on that, so let me know if I'm wrong. But depending on how large your transaction of buying a crypto is, the higher it will probably be. But obviously I think it is capped at a certain amount regardless. So anyway guys, let me know what you think of the video today. Let me know what you think of the Coinbase app, and whether you use it, or if anything that I've missed going through this review and just description of the app, just let me know in the comments. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye.